Sure has, and Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo, looks like we may need to get used to the rain at least for a little while longer, right?
That's right. We've got more rain on the way tonight and then another system to deal with for the end of the week, but we'll have a little break, a little sunshine, a little sunny interlude in between those two systems. Let's look down the shore right now. The reason I pulled up this camera is because you could see a little bit of pink where the sun was dipping below the horizon. It has now dipped and the pink is gone. That was basically all the color we saw, at least on this camera. You can see the dark clouds starting to look a little more ominous, and certainly at dusk it looks even darker outside, but we've got another band of rain that is pushing toward New Jersey. Now most of this is still offshore, but you can see a secondary band has developed as well, which is going to drift down toward Ocean County. We also have some wraparound showers in our western suburbs. Still pretty quiet in the city of Philadelphia, just some light drizzle, sweep the windshield wipers once or twice kind of rain out there, but the wraparound showers getting a little bit closer, and then these bands of showers over Long Island and another band just over Monmouth County is going to be pushing south and westward later on tonight, meaning the rain not completely over with. Although we don't expect any heavy downpours, there will still be the chance for another ½ inch, maybe ½ inch of rain in parts of the region, especially east of the city. We are seeing some showers right now in Berks and Lancaster counties, but there's that band. And as we go through tonight, 9, 10 o'clock, we could see another round of heavy rainfall over portions of Ocean County, possibly Burlington, and to a lesser extent down through the southern shore points. This will end overnight, and then tomorrow afternoon the sun comes out. Still some clouds trying to hang on close to the coast, and we do still have a gusty north wind throughout the day tomorrow. Wind gusts right now still over 30 miles an hour in spots like Wilmington, Dover, and Wildwood. As that system continues to move away and high pressure builds in behind it, winds will continue to strengthen overnight. So you can see the worst of the wind overnight is over portions of southern New England. That's where they could see gusts well over 40, even 50 miles per hour. That's the nor'easter conditions. For us, it's on the back edge of this departing system. High pressure builds in. We get that pressure gradient, so the winds kind of drain from the north, and we'll see wind gusts tomorrow upwards of 30 miles an hour at any time, possibly even some stronger gusts. They will start to subside a bit later tomorrow evening. We may see as much as another ½ inch of rain across the area through tonight, and then it ends. Some steadier rain possible. Parts of Ocean County could pick up closer to an inch. So still dealing with the threat for rain tonight. Heaviest to the east of the city. 52 degrees will be the low. Strong gusty winds overnight and throughout the day tomorrow as well. The sun returns. An early morning shower, then some sun, winds gust as high as 35 miles per hour all day tomorrow. Then we watch this storm. Same system that brought the damaging winds out west. A slow progression across the country, and notice how this gets strung out, looking a little bit weaker, but it will produce rain throughout the day Friday into Saturday. Showers continue, and then it does look like by Sunday, in time for trick-or-treating here Sunday evening, we will clear things out. But another round of rain and wind, nothing as heavy, nothing as strong as what they saw out west or for Halloween. But again, if you had outdoor plans for Halloween parties or early trick-or-treating, Friday and Saturday, not looking great. But then sun around to start November early next week. We'll send it back to you.
Yes.
Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo back with when we will clear out and how things are looking for the rest of the week. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Jessica and Yuki. Yeah, today was not a terrible day. Most of the heavy rain came last night, and today we were in that little dry slot of this system as it developed into a major nor'easter for portions of New England. We missed the brunt of it, but you can see tonight, even though it's still relatively dry in the city, roads look dry. The flags along the Ben Franklin Parkway are really starting to billow in the wind. Winds are picking up, and some spots reporting a little bit of rain, namely Trenton and Atlantic City, spots across portions of northern and central New Jersey, a couple of showers up through the Poconos and the Lehigh Valley right now as well, and we can't rule out the threat for some scattered rainfall near the city as well through the overnight hours. This as our coastal low continues to strengthen off the coast of New England. You can see the bands of heavy rain from Boston, Cape Cod, down through Rhode Island and Connecticut. This is a very powerful storm for New England, but the worst of it, again, stayed to the north and east of our area. The two pieces of energy, one that swung through our region from the Midwest, and the coastal piece of energy phased or came together a little bit too late for us to get in on the brunt of heavy rain and wind, which we are okay with. But as this system exits and high pressure builds in behind it, a strong pressure gradient being created causing those strong gusty winds overnight and into tomorrow. There are some pockets of heavier rain across portions of Ocean County right now, and then as we widen out, here's our little break for the next 2 days, and then this next storm system, which produced damaging winds and heavy rain and mountain snow across the west, is going to be moving in. It's over the Rockies right now, producing some snow, and we'll get here by Friday. So additional impacts tonight, maybe an additional 1/4 of an inch of rain, scattered rain showers overnight. Winds will stay strong right through tomorrow morning. Gusts could reach 40 miles an hour, and while we don't expect much in the way of damage, any of those stronger winds could cause down tree limbs or branches, especially because the tree limbs are still quite heavy with the leaves still on most of the trees and the ground as saturated as it is. So overnight and into tomorrow morning, you can see that north-northwest wind gusts to 30 miles an hour, possibly even 40 miles an hour for the first half of tomorrow, then gradually dying down tomorrow afternoon. So tonight we'll see precipitation chances continue to diminish. Tomorrow and Thursday looking relatively quiet, and then here comes our next storm, Friday into Saturday. Tonight, scattered rain areas, strong gusty winds, 52 degrees. Tomorrow is a better day. We'll see the sun return. Gusty winds continuing, the high 65. Timing on the next system, high pressure's in control for Thursday, and then here comes another round of rain. This system will be weakening. You can see it's spreading out here on Friday, but periods of rain on and off throughout the day Friday with lingering showers throughout most of Saturday. So your Eyewitness Weather 7-day forecast, quiet weather for the next 2 days. Thursday it looks really nice. Rain and wind likely on Friday with showers lingering through Saturday, but it does look at these that may have had trick-or-treat plans Friday night or Saturday night. Not looking great. The actual holiday looking a little bit better for kids hoping to get some candy. You get back over to you.
All right, Kate. Thanks.